In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unassign an order in the Dasher app. Sometimes things come up on the road, maybe the wait time explodes, the location isn't safe, or your schedule changes unexpectedly. When that happens, you can unassign an order directly from the app. Keep in mind, you must do this before you pick up the food. Unassigning after pickup isn't supported, and unassigning in general may affect your completion rate, so use it only when it's truly necessary. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open the active order in your Dasher app and look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a question mark icon labeled Help. Tap that Help button. This brings up a support menu specific to the order you're currently working on, so you're in the right place to make changes. Next, select the option that says Can't do this order. This is the dedicated pathway for unassigning. Choosing this tells the app you want to step away from the delivery so it can be reassigned to another driver as quickly as possible. You'll then be prompted to choose a reason for unassigning. Take a moment to pick the reason that most accurately describes your situation. Clear, honest reasons help the platform and the merchant understand what happened and can improve the overall experience. Common reasons could include extremely long wait times, the store being closed, or an unexpected conflict that prevents you from continuing. Select the reason that fits best and proceed. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Unassign. The app will ask for this confirmation to make sure you don't accidentally remove the order. Once you tap Unassign, the delivery will be taken off your queue and sent back into the system to be offered to another driver. You should see your screen return to your active dash view, and you can continue with other opportunities as they appear. A couple of quick reminders to wrap up. Always unassign before you pick up the food. That timing is important and ensures the order can be smoothly reassigned without creating issues for the customer or the restaurant. And remember, unassigning may impact your completion rate, so reserve it for those moments when you genuinely can't complete the delivery. That's it. Simple, direct, and fast. Tap Help, choose Can't do this order, select your reason, and confirm Unassign. Thanks for watching and drive safely.